Okay, time to do the brakes. So I was coming home yesterday and they started grinding, so it's time to do them. First things first, safety. Got the wheel underneath the rocker, acting as a jack stand, and what we want to do is get to the caliper mounting bolts. Some people take the whole caliper off. I only do that, well, I only do that if I've got it all apart and I'm working on it like that. But if you're just doing the brake pads, yeah, you just want to do these caliper mounting bolts. They're 12 mils. Right, I'll get you set up. Yeah, it's difficult to get a good angle here, but we'll see what we can do, eh? Rightio, these are 12 mils. So there's no need to disconnect any pipe with the brake lines or anything, and I've just opened up the reservoir at the top, and if you've topped up your fluid whilst the brake pads are going low, then you're going to need to remove some fluid out of the reservoir before doing this. Otherwise you're going to overflow the reservoir when you push these pistons in. So yeah, if you've topped up brake fluid, you're going to need to remove brake fluid. If you haven't topped up brake fluid, which I never do because it shows me how the brakes are wearing as the fluid is going down. I know that they're getting low. But if you haven't topped up, well then yeah, I just press the pistons back in and it basically goes up to the right level again. But we'll soon find out anyway. So I've got those two 12 mils out. Now just wiggle the caliper out of the caliper mounting bracket. Like that. Now I'll get you set up again because I'm going to work on this caliper. Holy, it's hard to film here. Anyway, I'm now in a contorted position. Yep, I'm in perfect view. Okay, so I'm going to push these pistons in with my big channel locks. Oh, yep. Just slowly. And you want to go all the way in. Maybe do this one a bit. Okay, now I'll just tuck that away up behind the shock. Yep, right. Now I need to get the pads out. Oh yeah, they're knackered. Alright. Yeah, there's not much left on those. Should be like out there. Well, I'll show you how big it should be. So, yep. Rightio. Get them both out. The new ones come with the pads there, so don't need to worry about those. Okay. Make sure the actual braking pad is against the disc. because they will go in both ways, so that will go in that way on this side, but it actually, goes in there. I know it sounds stupid, but I've done it once and it wasn't that long ago. What the fuck's going on here? Oh yeah, here we go. Yep, yeah. So it's clicking in like that. Push them together. This disc is floating, obviously, so don't worry about that. That's all going to come up tight. All right. We now get the caliper, and because we've pushed those pistons back in, it does sit straight on like that. Get our 12mm caliper mounting bolts. Okay, these are torqued to 20. What are they? 21 to 30 something. Hang on, we'll check that out. Hang on, stand by. Okay, double checked. It's 22 to 31 Newton meters. So that I'm going to go to 28 Newton meters, which is around 20 foot-pounds. To be honest, I didn't even torque the other ones. I just did it by hand. What am I going? 20. Yep. 20. All right. Nice. Nice. All right, let's put the wheel on. All right, and the wheels are torqued to 92 foot-pounds. And I do it in the star pattern, so it's even. And I don't know if you can see that, but there you go, the fluid's right to the max line again, perfect. There you go, no need to do it. And that's us. Oh, trip over the torque wrench. Brakes on a Falcon or any other car really. A lot of cars with the same system. Done. Cheers. Catch you next time. This is a side note. I was going to say, read the instructions to see what the bedding in process is. Some of them you'll need to take it easy, or slowly pump the brakes maybe for a couple 100 kilometres. But anyway, these absolutely ridiculous. Not not one piece of information on those instructions relate to this installation. So it was talking about split pins and everything. So anyway, I'm just gonna, and it doesn't tell me a break-in period, so I'll just take it easy for a couple of days. Yeah, alrighty, that's